Hey guys, TheRoughRanger here, and today we're doing a how-to video on how you can protect your leather gloves with this heavy-duty leather protection formula. So we're going to open up this package of leather gloves. Alright, so we have these leather gloves and we gotta take the tag off of them. There's a staple in these gloves. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up this, and what you want to do is you want to stick your fingers in here and then just get a big glob of it on your fingers, and then you want to mush it. Alright guys, so we're done with this glove. As you see, we got all the formula on both sides of them. So you want the formula to be on both sides, and you want it to be all over the glove. So now we will go ahead and do the other glove. We do the same thing. Just get that and then rub it all over. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe. And until next time guys, I will see you in the next video.